Hello world, this is Nathan coming to you from 𝐾𝐞 TV studios. Following the US market peers, the S&P ASX 200 trended lower today, dropping 20.40 points or 0.29% to 7,045.20 during early morning trade after setting a new 52-week high. The bottom performing stocks in this index are Challenger Limited and Lynas Rare Earths Limited, down 11.06% and 5.96% respectively. Majority of the sectors are trading in red zone. Let us scan through major news on the board. Volpara Health Limited, ASX VHT, reports largest quarterly increase in net new ARR during Q4 financial year 21. Volpara Health Limited, ASX VHT, recorded its largest quarterly increase in net new annual recurring revenue of $1.1 million during the quarterly fourth financial year 21. Notable, VHT recorded its largest ever fourth quarter and therefore its largest ever quarterly sales performance, bringing total ARR to $18.6 million. VHT also completed the acquisition for the breast cancer risk assessment company CRA Health for $18 million. The VHT stock traded at 1.455 Australian dollars during early trade hours. Afterpay Limited is advancing discussion for US listing after a robust financial year 21 quarterly third. Afterpay Limited has reported robust operating performance in the Q3 financial year 21, with underlying sales growth of 104% on the PCP. Moreover, APT's quarterly performance was 123% higher than the Q3 financial year 20, and March 21 delivered the second highest monthly underlying sales ever recorded. APT recorded an increase of 75% to 14.6 million in the active customers worldwide, and the customer acquisition has continued to gain momentum in April 2021 as well. The company is advancing discussions with external advisors to explore options for a US listing, as the US market, being the largest contributor to APT's business, is anticipated to continue strong growth. The APT stock traded at 126.23 Australian dollars during early trade hours. HUB24 Limited posted strong quarter of growth with record quarterly net inflows. HUB24 Limited, ASX HUB, has witnessed robust growth during the quarter ended 31st of March 2021, with HUB24 platform generating record quarterly net inflows of 1.9 billion Australian dollars. The company's total funds under administration stood at 51.4 billion Australian dollars and was awarded Best Platform overall by Investment Trends. HUB24 completed 3 strategic transactions and is now progressing with integration, development of new product solutions, and growth of service to present customers. The HUB stock last traded at 24.460 Australian dollars during early trade hours. Elementos ASX ELT completes capital raising for 𝐴𝐸𝐴 Tin project. Elementos Limited, ASX ELT, shared that it will be continuing with the developments at its wholly owned 𝐴𝐸𝐴 Tin project in Spain after it received firm commitments from investors to raise a total of $6.1 million before costs, as per the company's release. Fully paid ordinary shares will be issued under the placement at an issue price of $0.01 per share. Disturbances in metal supplies, coupled with a robust demand triggered by global economic stimulus, have taken the tin prices to 10-year highs, trading over $28,000 per ton, as compared to $13,450 per ton a year ago. The ELT stocks last traded at 0.013 Australian dollars during early trade hours. Rio Tinto reports solid operating performance in Q1 2021. Rio Tinto, ASX Rio, achieved an overall solid operating performance in the first quarter and has maintained guidance ranges across all its products. The company reported Pilbara Iron ore shipments of 77.8 million tonnes, indicating 7% growth versus the first quarter of 2020. For the same comparative period, aluminium production of 0.8 million tonnes was 3% higher. Rio plans to continuously assess and adjust production levels and product mix to meet customer requirements. The RAO stock traded at 121.280 Australian dollars during early trade hours. This is Nathan Large reporting from 𝐊𝐶𝐴 TV.